Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
So today's video is going to be really exciting as it's another haul. Yay! I'm off of Pretty Little Thing. I ordered 3 outfits that you can wear during the spring, summer weather. I would say if you were to purchase these dresses, you'd probably want to wear them towards the night when it's a little bit cooler. But before we get into the haul, if you are a new subscriber, hi, my name is Ramona Charlene and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting your girl. And obviously, if you are not following me, which you should be, follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, let's get straight into the haul. There are 3 outfits, so I'm gonna start off with the 2-piece. So this here is super cute. It's a 2-piece. It's a high-waisted skirt floral print, and it comes with this like bralette top, which is super cute. There aren't any adjustable straps on it. I ordered everything in a size 6. Now I have to say, for the 2-piece, I could have ordered a size 8 just because the skirt is a teeny bit snug and the bralette is a little bit too small for my boobs. This is the fabric that I get, and I got some master titties. I'm not returning anything. I am still happy with it. The material isn't bad. Like, it's so cute, and I really like how the skirt is high-waisted just because I just had a baby and it kind of sucks everything in. These 2 pieces right now, perfect for summer just because it's super hot and you'll be nice and breezy in this. The next outfit I ordered is this really cute off-the-shoulder dress. Honestly, you guys, super cute. Super cute. If it wasn't so hot down here, I would definitely wear this like running errands just because we're in quarantine. So when it's time to run errands, I want to look cute. Could have done better with a size 8 just because it's a little bit snug at the bust area. But other than that, it fits perfectly. It has like trumpet bell sleeves, and then it cinches on the sleeve. It sits really nicely. I like how it looks. Really happy with it. The material on it is really nice. It doesn't feel cheap. The last item I ordered, it is another dress, and you guys, this dress is just like everything. It is so beautiful. The material is amazing. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. It's a mixture of like chiffon. Well, it is a chiffon dress, and it's not see-through. The front part of the dress is like, I can't remember the proper term for, like, I think it's called ruched or something like that. So it makes your boobies look really nice. It has trumpet bell sleeves. It's super girly. I love the color. And then what really caught my eye was like the way how it stitches up in the front, how it connects. I think that's super cute. You could wear this on your shoulder or off the shoulder. I am gonna mention that if you do wear this off the shoulder, then you should probably wear a strapless bra. The same thing with the white dress. When I wear that, I'm not gonna wear my bra just because it fits a little bit tight on my arm. I really love this dress. I cannot wait to wear it and style it. I happen to have to go to the grocery store or Walmart or the dollar store after like 7 o'clock when the sun is like down, then I'm definitely gonna wear this dress. This one fit me perfectly. I don't need to size up and I don't need to size down. I feel very comfortable in it. So literally that's all I have for you guys today. Ordering off of Pretty Little Thing, I have to say my experience was really good. My items came really fast. Everything that I ordered looked exactly what I seen on the model, so there's no complaints there. I only ordered 3 items just because with my experience with Misguided, I didn't want to order a big order and then hate everything. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Just because it's my first time, I'm gonna do a small order. I hope you guys liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that thumbs up button. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.